new video, and today we're gonna doing some prop hunts. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want. Okay, let's do this. Matchmaking. First gonna do this. Yeah, this is the coolest map. Ready? Oh. No, wait. Wait, what? Yeah, next. Wait. Alright. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Alright, let's turn into something. Oh, barrel. Okay. Alright. So this game is based on just survive and hide yourself and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna watch how they're gonna feel. Cause yeah, they're very noob. Yeah. See? They're such a noob. Okay. Waiting, okay, YOLO. Hashtag too easy. Oh. Well, yeah, just the showcase. See you in the sorry. Whoops. Next game, not next video. But yeah, let's do this. The Sharks. Hungry Shark Evolution is a cool game, and yeah, let's watch. Yeah, I played this, so. Right. No. So yeah, we can't get this one or this one, but I'm just gonna show all the sharks. So you can, you can do some stuff. Missile launcher is new. Alright. And this, oh yeah, alright. Yeah, well, yeah, a baby you can choose. Yeah, your baby. So the first baby is Reef baby, I guess. I don't know. So let's do this. Waiting, loading. Alright. So you're gonna eat them and you have no. I'm not gonna enter in the portal, but. So yeah, this is a little baby. How big or how more you can eat? I will do next tiger shark, and then the great white shark, and then the megalodon. You see, I can't eat it, so yeah. So we're gonna eat. You can eat people and you can boost. And you have gold rush, then you have super much gold. Alright, this is a glitch, I guess? No. In gold rush you have unlimited boost. I guess. I don't know. But yeah, you wanna get as much as possible money. Monterey. Alright. Now you can eat everything. So you can eat you can move super quickly. Alright. So we quick escaped from that fish. So yeah, I'm gonna die right now. To show the wait. I will show the next fish. And so see you by the new show. Alright guys, so this is the thing, the great white shark. Then I'm gonna do the megalodon. It's a huge gap, but yeah, I don't want to showcase all of them. So yeah, we need to do some other games too. Or yeah, I want to showcase some other games too. So yeah, I bought the map, but as you can see, he spawns on the other side of the map. So he can't eat jellyfish, but he can eat those yeah, more. He can eat little jellyfish. See? But you don't get the hunger. Alright, let's get some people. Alright. Banana. Ah. No. Please. Alright, let's eat him. He couldn't escape. What? Well. He despawned. We don't care, cause super mine over there. Some hot sweet jumps. Like so. Right. So he can't eat mines. So what? Alright. Let's do this again. I didn't see this. You hear this? Boom. Boom. Watch. A sub thing. And now it's away. I let it explode or something. But yeah. Alright, let's go to the next shark. So I see you with the megalodon. So guys, I'm gonna quick showcase this. He can eat some more, but I'm gonna skip this. Quick loading. Yeah. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a nice day, and yeah. The weird noise is back. Now we're gonna do the portal. So now we're in the ice biome. What? Again. What? He can eat bombs and stuff. Well, I don't know. Let's do it one more time. stupid plane. Rather, now we're gonna showcase the little freeze sharks. Those. What? Oh yeah. We can't go deeper. But we don't care. Yeah, drop it in me. I get points. No. Alright, so if you die here, let me do that. Yeah, the head and stuff. It's, yeah. Real glitch, as you can see. Now we're back, and now we have to wait 12 hours. Look at this, I can eat this ship. Yeah. Right, so let's go to the last game. So the last game is Head Soccer. It's a nice game. So we're just gonna do some quick entertainment. So you have different guys, you have upgrades, and you have costumes. I did a glitch so I can get some hats. So yeah, so you had to unlock, and then you have a mission or something that you have to do, or you unlock it with points. So I got this one. So we're gonna play to against Korea. Right, let's do this. Yeah. So as you can see, my hat is very special. I need to do survival to get this. So you have a special power, but if I do it, I change and then I lose my hat. So now we're gonna showcase the power. So yeah, I'm not the best, as you can see, but yes, two different. If you stand on the ground, two different power shots, and yeah. So you have 1 minute, and if you win, then yeah, then you get some points, or you will get some coins. I can rebound the shot, and then yeah, it's a cool game. I played it a lot in my holidays, but so yeah, that was the last game. So see you guys in the next video.